Okay, this is lesson 26 in our reader's notebook, and we are going to start with our spelling words for this lesson, and I'm going to show you what those are. Okay, so let's go through these real quick. We've got root, crew, spoon, few, bloom, grew, room, you, stew, boost, scoop, flew, zoo, noon, shampoo, balloon. As you can see and hear, for lesson 26, our words all have an oo sound in them, but they're all spelled a different way. Some of our oo words definitely have the oo in them. Some of our oo words have ew, like grew and few. And some of our oo words have ou in them, like you. Okay? So you need to make sure that you know the difference in the spelling for these words. And now we're going to use them in our reader's notebook. So we're supposed to put the letters together. This is page 157. Put the letters together in the right words with the vowel sound you hear. Put the letters together to write the words with the vowel sound you hear in zoo. And we just said all of our words have oo in them, right? So our first word is oo, n. What's our word? Moon. Number 2, s, oo, p. What's our word? Soup. Number 3. Okay, they separated our C and our H. And if we say our C and our H separately, we have K and we have H. But K, H, oo doesn't spell anything or doesn't make sense in a word. So if we put together our C and our H, we get our digraph ch. Then we have ch, oo, chew. Number 4, b, ul, oo, blue. Number 5, p, ool, ol. What's the word? Pool. So 1, moon, 2, soup, 3, chew, 4, blue, 5, pool. Now we're supposed to use the words we wrote at the top to complete the sentences below. So number 6, did you see the blank and the stars last night? What's our word? If you said moon, you were right. Number 7, we swim in the, what's our word? If you said pool, you were right. Number 8, I ate a bowl of hot. If you said soup, you were right. Number 9, the sun is shining in the blank sky. If you said blue, you were right. Our puppy likes to blank on socks. If you said chew for number 10, you were right. Page 158. Do you remember way back when we did contractions? And what is a contraction? Do you remember? A contraction is, remember, we combine 2 words to make 1 word, and we get rid of some of the letters and replace those letters with a what? We replace them with an apostrophe. Remember, that's that little kind of C that looks like a comma, only it's up in the air. So a contraction is a combination of 2 words, and where we take the letter out, we plug in the apostrophe. So do not becomes don't. And see where we took out the O in not, that's where our apostrophe is. The next one is does not. We took out the O in not, and that's where our apostrophe is. Is not becomes isn't, and we took out the O, and that's where our apostrophe is. And cannot becomes can't, and where we took out the O, that's where our apostrophe is. So let's look at the contractions for the underlined words. Number 1, I do not believe my eyes. What would that be? What would our combination be? We're putting together do and not. So if you're not sure, you can look back up here. And when we combine do and not, we get don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. Number 2, your pet is not friendly. I'm combining is and not. What's my contraction? Look at the top. Isn't. I-S-N apostrophe T. Number 3, I cannot believe your pig can fly. We are combining can and not. Look at the top. It becomes can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Number 5, I do not know how it can fly. We are combining do and not. You take out the O in not and you get don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. And number 6, our art teacher does not come on Tuesdays. We're combining does and not. If you're not sure, look up here. We take out the O in not and we get doesn't. D-O-E-S-N apostrophe T. Now, doesn't sounds funny with that O in there, because if you spell just D-O-E, that's the word doe, like a female deer. But does is D-O-E-S. So that changes the way the word looks and sounds. So make sure when you're writing doesn't, you put that E in there. Okay, let's look at page 159. So again, we're looking at our OO words with the O-O, E-W, U-E, and O-U. First, we're going to answer each pair of clues using the words below. So we have 2 words in number 1. We have crew and we have clue. Number 1, something that helps solve a mystery. What is something that helps solve a mystery? Crew or clue? If you said clue, you were right. So that means the people who work on a ship are the crew. Number 2, to move quickly, we have zoom and we have zoo. To move quickly. Well, we all know what a zoo is, so zoom is going to be our word that helps us, that defines to move quickly. Zoom, when you zoom around the room or zoom around the playground. A place to see animals then is our zoo. Number 3, we have group and grew. Many people together, is that a group or is that grew? Well, we know that that's a group, right? Just like our class is a group of people. So number 3, the second one, got bigger. That's going to mean grew. And I suspect when I see you all again, you will definitely have grown a lot. And grown is the past tense of grew. Today I grew, today I grow, yesterday I grew. I said those backwards, I apologize. Number 4, lift or push someone from below. We have soon and we have boost. If you said boost, you were correct. In a little while then is soon. Hopefully we will see each other soon. Number 5, moved by using wings. Is that flew or few? Well, we know that's flew, right? He flew through the air. The bird flew through the air. And not many would be few. That's one of our math terms, right? Okay. Let's see. What's our next page here? So this is our spelling words. So let's read through them again. 1, root. 2, crew. 3, spoon. 4, few. 5, bloom. 6, grew. 7, room. 8, you. 9, stew. 10, boost. 11, scoop. 12, flew. 13, zoo. 14, noon. Okay, so if you could put those in the right order, we have OO words, we have EW words, and we have OU words. And I think we only have one OU word, so that one's going to be the easiest to find, right? So number 8 is our OU word, so that will go right here. Then all of our OO words, we have root, spoon, bloom, room, boost, scoop, zoo, noon. And then we have our EW words, which are crew, few, grew, stew, and flew. And you're supposed to underline the letters in each word that makes that OO sound, okay?